Hey guys, I'm coming with you today with a Pinchme unboxing. If you don't know what Pinchme is, it's a free website where all you have to do that's required is fill out your profile and answer a few questions about your household items that you use, etc., and that they would match you up with certain free items. So it's a free service, and it's pinchme.com. And I already opened the box when I got home today. See what the first couple things are. Received a coupon for free Heinz mayo, any size up to $4.50. And the free sample of the Heinz mayo that they sent me is this. Then I received a Ava NYC Stirs Up Texture Spray for beachy waves and insane volume for all hair types. It's a hairspray. Let's see here, because they also sent a coupon with it, $3 off on anyone Ava NYC hair care. It's either a hairspray or foam. It's a hairspray. Scent doesn't seem too bad. But it comes out really fast and in a bunch. And then they sent Next Care waterproof bandage, and it also came with a save 50 cents on any Next Care product coupon, another free sample of Skittles, and then a little advertisement for Gray's Box snack package. And I can put this free code down for you in the description box for you, because I will not use it. So anybody who likes getting Gray's Box could sure let you use this. It says try your first Gray's Box for free. And that's it. And I hope you all have a good one. Bye.